Why do tropical cyclones spin in different directions in different hemispheres? The northern hemisphere, these low pressure systems, these cyclones or cyclonic systems, they spin in a counter-clockwise direction. In the southern hemisphere, below the equator, they're going to spin in a clockwise direction. Now, why is this? Well, first, the Earth is spinning on its axis from west to east, creating our day and night, and also the shape of the Earth. The Earth is a sphere, and it's a lot longer going around the equator as it is if you go around a higher latitude towards the North and South Pole. So the longest distance to go around is the equator. Therefore, the equator must be moving faster than the higher latitude. So at the equator, you're moving at around 1,000 miles per hour, and at 30 degrees north and south, which is what we're looking at for these cyclones, is moving at 900 miles per hour. So in the northern hemisphere, the red arrow coming from the equator, the faster air, is being deflected to the right, and the slower air moving at 900 miles per hour from 30 north is being deflected also to the right, because it's jumping forward if it's fast, if it's slow, it's lagging behind. And in the southern hemisphere, it's flipped, where you have the really fast moving red arrow air going from the equator moving south to slower areas, that is being deflected to the left, and the slower air moving north towards the equator from 900 towards 1,000, that is slower than the fast moving area towards the equator, and again being deflected to the left. So in the northern hemisphere, it's a right deflection. In the southern hemisphere, it is a left deflection, all based on the speed of rotation from west to east. So the result or culmination of these two different directions of winds, moving from fast moving equator or the slower moving 30 degrees north and south, you're going to have the mixing of different directions, which causes this rotation and deflection to create the rotation and spin of these tropical cyclones. In this case, the hurricanes in the northern Atlantic Ocean or the southern Atlantic Ocean or the eastern Pacific, both north and south of the equator. So you have these different rotating storms. Hurricanes in the north rotate counterclockwise. Hurricanes in the south or southern hemisphere rotate in a clockwise direction. All because of the spin of the Earth and the shape of the Earth and how fast the Earth is moving based on latitude.